Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your delivery address with FedEx, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your delivery address with FedEx, begin by visiting the FedEx website. Navigate to the tracking section located on the homepage. Locate the option to track your shipment and click on it. Enter your tracking number in the provided field. Click the track button to see the status of your shipment. Once the tracking information appears, look for the delivery address details. Ensure that the address matches the one you provided at the time of shipment. If there's a discrepancy, note down the details for further action. If you need to verify or change the address, return to the FedEx homepage. Scroll down to the Customer Service section. Click on Contact Us to find support options. Choose to either call customer service or use the online chat feature. Provide them with your tracking number and any relevant details. Explain the situation and request verification of your delivery address. Follow any instructions given by the customer service representative. If additional information is needed, be prepared to provide it. After your issue is resolved, write down any confirmation or reference number. This will help if you need to follow up later. Check your email for any updates regarding your delivery address verification. Stay informed by monitoring the tracking status for any changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.